Alright, so on the back here I've got the shackle in my drawbar. So what I do is I take this strap, it's an 1.5-inch strap rated for 1,500 working pounds, and then when you're doing the strapping, you got to keep in mind that your strap working load force needs to be what the weight of what you're hauling is, right? That's how I secure the back of the tractor down. So what I usually do is I go up and over the frame, underneath, up over top. So, back over here to the frame, or up to the trailer. That's tight. We'll go the other side and do the same thing. Alright, we got it strapped down. This is what I do. I went back and fixed up the straps here. I end up zip tying them together, all the excess, and just kind of tucking under there. Works fine. They're pretty long otherwise. Hooking them up here on the front of the frame of the tractor, up and down and around, tighten it down. And then on the back here, I've got one going through a clevis hitch here in the middle to both sides to hold the back of the tractor down. So, make sure when you're doing this, that this matches your specific application for towing. Remember, this is how I do it, and it works in my application, and it is not a one-size-fits-all. Where I use my attachment points on my tractor to tie it down by using the front frame and then the drawbar there in the back. The biggest thing to keep in mind when tying down a tractor or really anything to a trailer is to make sure that the working load of your straps are rated for your application. In this case, I needed to hold down around, at the minimum, 3,000 pounds with the tiller on the tractor and such. So when you're working on it, just make sure you look at the tag, you know, your 1.5-inch, 2-inch straps, and go on and so on from there. And you can even use, you know, chain binders and such. But in this case, I'm using two 30,000 working pound straps and then one 1,500 pound working strap in the back. And it seems to be more than sufficient for what I'm doing, and it always holds the tractor in place and having anything break, obviously. So, I mean, the intentions here is just to make sure nothing falls off your trailer, and even in a worst case scenario, it stays stuck. Thanks for sticking around for this short video. I know I've seen a lot of questions about this, and hopefully add some clarity on how to tow your tractor. So thanks for sticking around, and until next time, I'll see ya.